What's good, folks? This is the Speed 20 action cam, and it is a cool little action cam. It's got screen on the front, screen on the back to be able to see what you're doing. Right now I got something in the way of it, this strap that connects it or mounts it to whatever you want to mount it to. But it is an awesome cam. It also will connect to your cell phone so you can see footage in the phone while you're shooting. It is pretty cool, but let's go over it right now so you can take a look. As we get a look at the box here, see it's a nice looking box, pretty simple to open. It's got some codes there. You get your action cam manual, quick start guide. Quick start guides are cool because you can get started quickly. We have the camera itself here in its casing, another code there, so we can scan that code, verify and activate your warranty. So that's a warranty activation code, which is kind of cool. Not having it on a piece of paper is kind of good. We got a battery and another battery, so two batteries come with it. And we have our accessories here. The accessories box is filled to the rim with stuff. Let's kind of dump it out. Woo! It's a lot of stuff. So some kind of strappy thing. I don't know what kind of strap. We'll figure that out. We got your, looks like a charger. It feels like a microphone. So that's cool. If it comes with a microphone, that's awesome. We've got more straps. A mount of some sort of mount. I don't know where that would mount to, but there is a mount there. Another portion to the case. This looks like the back of the case. I guess it may be different from the one that's there already. Not sure how. Another mount. This has a 3M sticker on the back, or just a sticker on the back, and then it has a section to mount your mount on. So that's going to be stuck to something. This is kind of lock nut kind of thing. Another mount of some sort. So got a lot of mounts, more of the stickers. Another mount piece. This looks like a two battery charger. Another cool thing is that this comes with the microphone piece. Now, you can't hook the microphone up when it's in its case, obviously, because it would allow for water, or it would no longer be airtight. That looks like a remote control of some sort. So that's kind of cool. So that's essentially what you have there, and of course your charging cable. We'd have the charger and the cable there. So that's essentially what we have here. Let's take a look at how this thing works in action. We're also going to go ahead and download the app. I am using the an Android phone, so we'll download the HiCam app. Just scan it there. There's the app, HiCam. We'll hit the install button. We're still installing there. Okay, there we go. Let's open it. Cool little surfing and motorcycling. Start to use. Storage permission. We're going to add a device here. Please press the power button on the camera and turn on Wi-Fi. Okay. Now we're connected. All right, so now we can see what's going on inside of the app now. Poorly exposed here. Let me get to where you can kind of see me. And we should be able to hit the record button now. And now we are recording. So there is no film on the lens. This is what it looks like, and I'm looking at both cameras now. I have the actually, I'm going to put this right here on the top of this camera, on the top of my phone. We're going to go outside so we can kind of get an idea of what things look like in better light. As we walk out here, you can kind of see what we've got going on here. So here we have it mounted to the bike.
And that is the Speed 20 action cam, folks. Pretty cool little camera. I like it a lot. I'm sure you'll enjoy it as well. Grab you one.